You are losing your money if you're using meme coins. Watch this video to learn how properly use meme coins to grow your wallet. I will explain in details what they are, how to earn them, and most importantly, how not to lose your money. So watch this video till the end and don't switch away. Hi everyone, my name is Eva and today we're diving into fascinating world of cryptocurrencies, especially meme coins and shitcoins. In this video, we will break down what meme coins and shitcoins are, how you can make money from them, their pros and cons, and the strategies you should use to minimize risks and not lose your money. What are meme coins and shitcoins and why are they important? Meme coins are a special type of cryptocurrency that started as a joke, just for fun. But over time they can gain real value because of support and interest from the community. Famous examples of meme coins include Dogecoin and Shiba Inu, which were originally created without serious ambitions, but became huge sensation in the crypto world. Shitcoins, on the other hand, are new cryptocurrencies that might be promising projects or completely baseless initiatives created just for a quick profit. Unlike meme coins, shitcoins often haven't been listed on major exchanges and don't have significant recognition. This makes them especially risky for investors because these coins can disappear as quickly as they appeared. One reason why meme coins and shitcoins are so popular is their ability to bring people together. People who invest in these coins often feel like they're part of something bigger, united by a common idea or meme. This creates a crowd effect where the popularity and support from the community becomes self-sustaining, which in turn can greatly increase the value of the coin. But remember, there is often a little real value behind such growth. It's important to understand that meme coins and shitcoins are usually very volatile. Volatility is a term that describes how much and how quickly the price of an asset can change in a short time. This can lead to both high profit and significant losses. So if you decide to invest in meme coins or shitcoins, make sure to consider this factor. Why are meme coins and shitcoins so popular? Meme coins and shitcoins have become popular because of their simplicity and accessibility. These assets can attract the attention of both beginners and experienced investors by promising high profits in a short time. Meme coins, for example, are attractive because they are easy to understand and use. These coins are often supported by large and active communities, which helps them stay visible and maintain liquidity. Another factor contributing to the popularity of meme coins is their ability to adapt to current cultural and social trends. Meme coins creators are often inspired by current events, internet memes, or even famous personalities, making them more appealing to a wide audience. For example, the Shiba Inu token was created as a parody of Dogecoin, but with community support and media attention, it quickly became a successful project on its own. Interestingly, meme coins often serve as a gateway into the world of cryptocurrencies for new investors. They are simple to understand, accessible, and because of their meme nature, they often spark interest even in those who were not previously interested in cryptocurrencies. This makes meme coins an important element in attracting new participants into the market. Pros and cons of meme coins and shitcoins. First, pros. High profit potential. Meme coins and shitcoins can rise in price rapidly, sometimes by hundreds or even thousands of %. For example, in the first half of 2024, meme coins lead the market in returns with an average return of over 2,400%, 9 times more than the closest competitor. Second pros. Ease of use. You don't need deep knowledge of cryptography or blockchain to start trading these coins. For example, the Solana blockchain made it easy to users to launch their meme coins thanks to low fees and simplicity of using smart contracts. This makes meme coins attractive to those looking for quick profits. Third pros. Active community. Meme coins are often supported by large and active communities that help them stay popular and liquid in the market. A good example is Dogecoin, which despite having a little real value, gained a huge community and the attention of influential people like Elon Musk. Communities around such coins play a key role in supporting their value and popularity. Now let's talk about the cons. First one, high risks. Just as meme coins and shitcoins can rise in price rapidly, they can also lose value just as quickly due to the high volatility. For example, a significant portion of meme tokens is held by a small group of people who can manipulate the price and crush it at any time. Second cons. Lack of real value. Many meme coins and shitcoins have no fundamental value or technology behind them. Their success depends solely on market sentiment and community activity. This means that the price of such coins can collapse if the community loses interest in them. Third cons, scam potential. Due to the lack of regulation and the ease of creating such coins, many fraudulent projects appear on the market. Similar situation happens regularly, showing how dangerous investments in shitcoins and meme coins can be. And now I'll tell you about top 5 popular meme coins and how to buy them. There are many meme coins on the market, but some stand out for their popularity and activity. On the 5th place is Bonk, a meme coin inspired by a dog meme that gained popularity in the crypto community due to its activity and unique concept. Bonk's market capitalization is $1.7 billion. It can be bought on popular decentralized exchanges and might interest those looking for new and bright assets in the world of meme coins. 4th place, Dog with Hat. An unusual meme coin that became popular due to its unique design and active community. Dog with Hat is known for its vibrant memes and jokes, making it appealing to a wide audience. The market capitalization of the coin is $1.7 billion. It's available for purchases on various decentralized exchanges and may interest those who appreciate humor and original projects. 3rd place, MEMECOIN, one of the most well-known meme coins inspired by the meme Pepe the Frog. MEMECOIN became a symbol of meme culture in the cryptocurrency world and has a market capitalization of $3.390 billion. This token is available on many major exchanges. It's important to remember that it's subject to significant price fluctuations, so it's recommended to be especially cautious when buying it. 2nd place, Shiba Inu, one of the most famous meme coins in the crypto world, often referred to as the Dogecoin killer. Shiba Inu has a huge and active community as well as a high market capitalization of $7.960 billion. These meme coins can be purchased on many major exchanges such as Binance, Coinbase, and others. The price of Shiba Inu can fluctuate significantly, making it an interesting asset for those who want to try their hand in the world of meme coins. And the 1st place, Dogecoin, the most famous and first meme coin in history, created as a joke but becoming a cult asset in the cryptocurrency community. Dogecoin is supported by many famous personalities, including Elon Musk, and has a huge market capitalization for $14.850 billion. Doge can be purchased on all major cryptocurrency exchanges. Dogecoin remains one of the most recognizable cryptocurrencies on the market. And finally, we will dig into how to make money with meme coins and shitcoins. While meme coins and shitcoins might seem like a simple lottery, you can make money from them if you approach them wisely and carefully. First of all, follow the news and trends. To successfully trade these coins, you need to always stay updated on current events. Create an account on platforms like Twitter and Reddit, where cryptocurrency news is actively discussed. Follow popular influencers and experts in the field to receive important information instantly. For example, if a popular blogger or celebrity mentions a meme coin in their tweet, it can immediately affect the price. Second, don't invest large sums. Meme coins and shitcoins are high-risk assets. Never invest more than you're willing to lose. It's best to split your deposit into a small part and invest several different coins to minimize risks. This approach allows you to reduce potential losses in case of failure. The third one. Take profits. If a coin has brought you a significant profits, don't hesitate to take them. Sell part of the coins to recover your initial investment and leave the rest for possible further growth. Remember, these coins can rise quickly but also lose value to zero, so it's important not to miss the moment to take profit. Fourth, evaluate fundamental factors. Although meme coins and shitcoins are often created without much fundamental basis, it's worth paying attention to projects that have some foundation. For example, having developed technology and active community or support from famous personalities can be a positive signal. This doesn't guarantee success, but it can reduce risk. Fifth, use decentralized exchanges. Many meme coins and shitcoins first appear on decentralized exchanges like Uniswap or SushiSwap. Using these platforms gives you the opportunity to buy the assets at early stages when its price hasn't soared yet. However, remember that such deals come with higher risks. So if you decided to invest in these assets, be prepared for volatility and possible losses. What do you think about meme coins and shitcoins? Are you ready to try your luck? Share your thoughts in the comments and don't forget to subscribe to the channel.